So in this video, we're going to be talking about A+ content versus A+ premium content. What's the difference? Is it worth getting A+ premium content? Let's talk about it. When you go on the Amazon platform, rather than having a product description, if you're brand registered, you can go ahead and get access to A+ content. A+ content allows you to go ahead and build these beautiful assets on your store, which customers can go ahead and use to make an informed decision as to whether they want to buy your products or not. Now, when it comes to A+ premium content, it's pretty much very similar. Although there are some few tiles that you can go ahead and use to your advantage. There's videos that you can go ahead and put in place. There's a Q&A section that you can put in place. There's so many more different elements that you can go ahead and add to your store in order to go ahead and make them better. Now, we've gone ahead and used A+ premium content to take a client's conversion rate from 8% all the way up to 12%, which might seem small, but the 4% difference generates an insane amount of revenue for your store. If you know, you know. When you go on Amazon, in order to get access to A+ content, you just want to go here to the menu. Then you want to go to advertising, and then you got A+ content here, which will take you to this store here. Now from here, you can go ahead and create your A+ content. So the product description, you can have the basic, which is up to 5 modules. Now the basic one, I wouldn't really recommend anymore. You got access to the premium one now. There's lots of different features you can go ahead and use to enhance your product page to make it a lot better. The normal A+ content is pretty much played out. You only get access to 5 modules, whereas the premium ones you can get up to 7 modules, and it makes it a lot more interactive for customers to go ahead and use. So to the example here, obviously you got the basic A+ premium. It's just simple. The only interactive module is that customers can go ahead and click here. Now, let me show you another example of A+ premium content. So let's go to Neil Yard Remedies to actually help them set up these A+ premium contents. So here they've got all the modules here, but this section here where you got the step-by-step, you can go ahead and click through these, go ahead and see what else the range has to offer. There's a video here that you can go ahead and play as well. And then there's more about the brand here. So A+ premium content allows you to go ahead and navigate things. There's even some modules where you can click through on them. You can see more text, more information about the product. So here you've got some text description, not necessarily what I'm looking for, but we'll go ahead and skip or move on to the next one. So basic A+ content, you can just go ahead and add modules. Here are all the modules that are available. Simple, basic, I'm not going to spend much time on it. And then you got A+ premium content. So here you got similar content to what you got for A+, but you got the comparison section here. That's quite different. You've got the videos that you can go ahead and add. There's the hotspots where you can go ahead and put a text indication where you can go ahead and hover your mouse and you can have some specific information about the product. There's the Q&A. There's more hotspots, and then literally the step-by-step slides that you saw for Neil Yard, something similar, but you got the steps here on the side instead. And then what we saw for Ninja as well, where you can go ahead and put some text for people to go ahead and learn more. So it's a lot better. You can go ahead and add some technical specifications as well. It's a lot better than, you know, having usual A+ content on your profile. In 2026, come on, who wants to be using normal A+ content? So A+ premium is the way to go. And then in order to go ahead and upload it, we have a specific document that we can go ahead and send you. We'll drop a link down below if you want access to all the specifications of A+ premium content that you can go ahead and use for your brand. So we'll just go ahead and click one just for now. So you got the premium full image. You go here, this is dimension. You just go ahead and then you drag and drop based on the size. So you have one image that's specifically for desktop for A+ premium content, and then you have one that's specifically for mobile for A+ premium content. So you want to go ahead and have both sizes. This makes it a lot better than A+ content on its own. The premium content allows you to go ahead and optimize for mobile and desktop. And last time I checked, around 60% of people shopping on Amazon are now shopping on mobile. So you want to have A+ premium content for the mobile section. And yeah, that's it, done. And then you can go ahead and fill in all the information. Now, I personally don't prefer putting keywords inside of the A+ premium. Some people swear by it. I like to put the keywords inside of the listings, inside the title, inside the backend keywords. And that's been my approach with Amazon. So yeah, you can just pretty much go and upload all the assets when you're done. You can preview mobile desktop. You can apply your ASINs. So you can bulk upload, put your ASINs in a spreadsheet and then put them on. Submit. Once it's approved, then it's published on your page. So very simple, very easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as I like to say. So yeah, if you need any help and support, go ahead and book in a consultation. We've dropped the link down below with all the specs and information. So catch you on the other side. See you soon. Bye-bye.